Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can take screenshot and a long screenshot using 3 fingers swipe down in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. Using 3 fingers swiping down along the screen you can take a screenshot. For example, if you want to take a screenshot from this page itself, yes, just swipe down like this and screenshot will be taken. I also go to another page here. I go to a web page called facultyon.com, and here itself I would like to take a screenshot. For that, just use 3 fingers and swipe down like this and screenshot will be taken. This is normal screenshot. For taking long screenshot using 3 finger swipe, yes, you can do it. You should have longer page first, so make sure that you have longer page, and then with 3 fingers swipe down like this and go to long screenshot icon in the captured image, and image will be scrolling automatically if you have longer page. Yes, I have longer web page here and it's taking long screenshot. If you want to stop, just click over the screenshot area and it will be stopped, and click on save button, and this is the saved long screenshot. If you want to edit after taking long screenshot, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is just click on edit button here, and there will be a lot of editing tool. Whatever you want to edit, yes, you can do it. For example, if you want to add some text to the captured screenshot, yes, you can do it. Okay, and yes, here type something and that will be added to the screenshot, and yes, click on done finally, and the text is added now, and click on tick mark and click on save. So you can do whatever you want for the screenshot, for whatever editing you want. Yes, whatever available, just you can use and edit and save. Okay, then you can share your screenshot for your purpose, to yourself or your friend or your relatives, or whatever the person. Okay, so it's your wish to share the screenshot, to locate the file, that the screenshot file. So you have to go to files in your phone and go to internal storage, and then go to pictures and go to screenshots folder. Here you will be seeing all screenshots that you have taken latest. These are the latest screenshot. So in this way you can easily take screenshot and long screenshot using 3 fingers swiping down method in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.